Moo la la, yeah yeah.
Hello everyone. It's raining today. I'm thinking I can consider it. Yeah, it's raining today. I'm having a good day so far. I went to the gym this morning, get in a little workout, eat some food and things like that. So I try run go school now. Let me see. I'm supposed to go Orlando weekend, so I'm going to make a vlog about that. A trip to Orlando. Going to visit my friend and thing. Yeah, I need to get my my face hair cut. I need to get my hair cut and thing like that. Yeah, but I wanted to say thanks to everybody so far. I reached about 37 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I don't really watch the Facebook and the Instagram that much, even though having people on Instagram can help with the YouTube channel. But yeah, I try to get as much support as possible. So people may watch the vlog. When they can help support the thing, support the ghetto youth. Support the ghetto youth. When they can help by sharing my videos on a Facebook page. I know probably a few of my friends, a few of my subscribers share the video on them YouTube page. I really appreciate that. Yeah, so I'm doing my thing as usual, going to school today. It's a rainy day. Let me see if I can get a shot at the so you see the ground wet and thing on the pond over there. So but yeah, so I hope wanna continue to support me. Hope you like the vlogs and stuff like that. What I really need though is some feedback. Leave some more feedback and things. Let me know wanna like, and stuff like that. Things that can just make the vlog, better. So, that would really feel black and thing though, but yeah. That would be really good. But yeah. Remember, like, subscribe and share people. Thanks again, for all of the support and thing like that. So oh shoot, my arm hurt me. People say when I go gym and thing like, oh, let me switch it around. So when I go gym and thing like that, holding up a camera isn't it isn't fun. Literally. Your hand hurt you, so you probably can do like 1 minute long. Cause that is actually a workout. Like holding out your hand like that is actually a workout. So yeah. I was splashing on my face, but yeah. Place feel good. This is what summer should be like. Sunshine sometime, you have rain sometime, but still cool and nice. Cool and nice day today. So yeah, run go school people. Oh yeah, I start call the girl them, my female fans them are subscribers. I don't really have fans, I have subscribers or supporters. I'm not a celebrity. But I understand me I say. Yeah. Me I go call the females them, jelly bean. Oh that's so. People are crazy. Call the female them jelly bean. And the man them on a gingerbread. Burn throat. You understand? So, big up on yourself, people. Enjoy. Try put in some workout. You see me a workout? And the big belly. See the big belly? Yeah. I try. Not that big still. I just me push it out. I me push it out, but yeah. Try to, exercise with a friend. Anybody. Get in some good exercise workout. Don't make any excuses. People make too much excuses. Oh, we're busy at work and this and that. And yeah. But yeah. Put in the work, hard work. Eat some exercise and thing. Keep healthy, have fun, just enjoy life. That is what I'm about. Positivity, encouraging people to do good and things like that. So, enjoy yourself. Continue to support the thing. So, I'm out people. I'm late for school already as usual. So, later people.
Moo la la, yeah yeah.